Hi guys! Last Valentine's Day, we went to Art in Island in Cubao, Quezon City. And for today's video, we will just share with you our overall experience since this is our first time to visit this museum. So if you want to see what's inside the museum at kung worth it ba, then please keep on watching. We just availed our ticket via Klook kasi mas nakatipid kami compared to buying the tickets doon sa mismong place. Sobrang gaganda ng visual, guys. Ay, sino ka dyan? Sabi ko, mais ng post. Ay, nag-unggoy-unggoyan na nga siya. At ayun ako, nagpapakain ng alaga ko. As an angel and person. So from here, you can see more paintings tulad ng paintings ni Van Gogh. Van Gogh, go, go! Charot! Hi, little AJ! And this one guys, naalala ko yung painting sa bahay ng lola ko, yung mga nagka-cards ng mga aso. Kaya nagpa-picture talaga ako dyan. Ay hala, wala lang to. Huy, wag mong hilain. Ayun, may lumalangoy na tilapia. Ang ganda dito guys, parang may nalilingong diwata. Ay, hindi yan yung diwata guys. Napakagaling na kumuha ng video ng kuya mo, AJ. Improving na. At dito sa part na to guys, pwede kayong umupo at magpahinga habang nanonood. At ayun, naumpog. Ano yun? Brilyante na hangin ng peg. Ang cute ng mga flowers dito, guys. At ayun, inantok na siya. Galing pa kasing jiwa. Kunwari, matinitig na. Ang ganda mag-pictures here.
I love